how to use the 5 love languages on yourself so you can start falling more in love with who you are, because it's all about that self-love, baby. Hello, my powerful creators. Thank you so much for being on my channel today. I'm so glad you're here. On this channel, we talk about manifestation, law of attraction, and personal development. And if you want to become a powerful creator, hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you how to use the 5 love languages on yourself. Maybe you never heard of the 5 love languages, or maybe you have, but they are directed towards other people. But I'm going to tell you in this video on how to use it on yourself, because it's so important when we're manifesting to actually love ourselves, to fully love who we are, so that we can create things into our reality. Before we get started on this video, hit that like button so that it helps the channel, and I really appreciate it when you guys do that. And as we talk, comment your thoughts. Whatever comes up in your thoughts, a question even, comment it below, because I always answer my comments. So I want you guys to be able to ask a question and I'll get to it as soon as I can. I do want to say another thank you to you guys, because we're almost at 2,000 subscribers. And that's so incredible, because I remember having 1 subscriber and being so thankful and grateful. But now we're at 2, we're almost, and maybe we will be at the end of this video, but we're almost at 2K, and I just want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'm so thankful for all the powerful creators changing your lives, taking that leap of faith, and manifesting things into your reality. Go you. Okay, let's get into this video. So the 5 love languages is a book that was written in 1992 on how to express yourself with love towards your mate. This book was written by Gary Chapman. It outlines 5 different general ways that romantic mates express to their partners. Chapman, the writer of this book, he calls it love languages. In this video, I'm going to show you how to express that love to yourself. So the first one is quality time. So you can do this by spending alone time doing multiple things. You can work out, get out in nature, cook your favorite meal, listen to music, read a really good book, write a love note to yourself, or even start a new hobby. Do something that you can do on your own and alone. Spend that quality time with you. The second love language is physical touch. We've done this in another video on how to ask the universe for a sign. Well, you can do this with physical touch for yourself, loving yourself. You're gonna put your hand on your heart and hand on your stomach, and you're gonna breathe in and breathe out deeply. And that makes you feel physical touch for yourself. You can do physical touch by taking a bubble bath. So you cook that meal, now eat that meal. Eat a good meal that brings you joy. I know you have a skincare and makeup routine or something with products. Spend some time learning a new technique on yourself. Maybe it's like baking your face. I know I just learned that, how to contour in something. I've been learning that. But that's physically touching myself, doing my skincare routine, making sure I do it on a consistent basis, doing the moisturizer. And so we said in quality time, you're listening to music. Now get that good song on and start dancing and moving your body. You are doing something physical, and that's gonna really help you start loving yourself. Come on, do it now. Listen to that music in your head and start moving around. If you're liking this video so far, give this video a big thumbs up and comment something below that you're ready to do for your love languages. Okay, let's keep going. The third love language is acts of service. So if you're gonna do this act of service for yourself, organize something in your closet. Organize that drawer that's been so messy for months. Organize it. It'll make you feel better. As you're organizing, I know you're gonna find things that you don't want anymore. Donate to a charity of your choice. Or you can donate money to many charities, and I've actually linked some charities below, so you can check them out right there. Another thing you can do is set some achievable goals that you know you can do in a month or 2 months or maybe even a year if you can remind yourself consistently. But do some achievable goals. I even do them every day. I say, okay, I need to answer 10 emails and I need to get that done. And then once I get that done, I can check it off, and oh my God, the feeling of checking something off your list, your to-do list, I know you know the feeling. Comment below if you know the feeling of checking something off your list. It feels amazing. So do some list taking of your achievable goals. Another act of service is call a friend. Call a friend that you know you can cheer them up. Even if they're not sad, you know that you can talk about something you guys did years ago that was so funny, a funny story you have between the two of you. Call them up and talk about that story. I love reminiscing with my besties, and I know your friends want to hear those stories as well. That act of service is going to be so beneficial for you and your friend. The fourth love language is receiving gifts. So to do this for yourself, maybe you want to sign up for an online class. Start teaching yourself something new. That's going to be a really good service for yourself. Buy yourself that dress you've been eyeballing for months. I know there's something online you've had in your cart for a really long time, and it's time for you to treat yourself to that item and buy it. You can even treat yourself to a dine-in meal. I know many of us are still in quarantine, so treat yourself to a dine-in meal. I know you miss your favorite restaurant in your city or town, and maybe they have delivery now. I hope they do, because you're about to order from them and have your own little dine-in restaurant. And that's gonna be a great receiving gifts for yourself. Another thing that I love to do is I love to buy a candle. When I'm ready to gift myself something, I like to buy a candle, because candles always make me feel so good. The great ambiance of having a candle lit at night, or that candle lit next to you when you're doing your physical touch by taking a good bubble bath. Buy a candle. I know it's gonna make you feel good. And the fifth way to love yourself through the 5 love languages is my favorite, words of affirmations. So to use words of affirmations, list 7 things you are grateful for. It can be big or small, but list 7 things you are grateful for. Another way to do affirmations is to create positive affirmations for yourself and write them on Post-it notes and put them all over your mirror in your bathroom or in your bedroom, all over your house. You can even have one put on your door. So whenever you're headed out somewhere, you have that affirmation to remind you of something really good in your life, something affirming, something positive. You can read that right before you leave your home. You can also watch more of my videos to encourage yourself. I always say type in manifestation on YouTube, or law of attraction, or anything like that, personal development. Type that in YouTube and just watch videos. Just have somebody talking to you consistently. That's gonna really bring some joy in your life. And the last way to affirm yourself and use this act of love towards yourself is to look in the mirror and say something positive about yourself. And you don't have to say anything physical, but you can say something like, Candice, you did a good job today. Or you can say, you were really kind to that person when you opened the door for them. I am so proud of you for getting your work done today. There's so many things you can compliment yourself on that doesn't have to do with any of your physical features. I mean, you are so welcome to compliment yourself on physical features. I absolutely encourage you to. But sometimes we need to talk about some things that aren't necessarily talked about all the time. You know, if someone doesn't notice that you were the person who paid for that meal, they don't need to know that. But you can compliment yourself and say, Candice, you did a good job for paying for that person's meal. Or what I like to do when I'm at Starbucks, I pay for the person behind me. And I don't need for them to wave and know that I did it. I just like to know that I did it for myself, that I'm giving abundance out to someone else. And so I know that the universe and the law of attraction will bring that abundance back to me. Okay, so let's go through these 5 love languages again. There's quality time, physical touch, acts of service, receiving gifts, and words of affirmations. Comment below which one you love to receive and which one you love to do on yourself. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it and find some way to start loving yourself through the 5 love languages. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for daily affirmations and hit that like button if you really enjoyed this video. If you're watching this video right now, you are a powerful creator. So you might as well subscribe to this channel so you can start becoming even more powerful in your life. If you like this video, I know you'll like my next video on the 10 different songs to manifest love. I love you so much, powerful creators, and I will talk to you in my next video. Have a beautiful day.